Hi guys, welcome to Zandrake's World, and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright, so today we will unbox these Coke items again. Okay, Coke items again kasi nakapag-unbox na tayo ng mga Coke items before. Yung Collect and Win promo, yung last year. And nanalo din tayo ng emoji cup last time nung December. And ito nga yung bagong promo ng Coca-Cola, yung Coke Time Panalo promo, kung saan mag-collect na naman ng mga Coke Cups. So if you can see, meron ditong Royal. So Royal ang binili ko. Kasi ito ang available sa amin na maliit lang. Kasi yung ibang drinks, kasi di ba ano yung tatlo? You have Coke, yung Coca-Cola, yung original, then yung Sprite and Royal. So iba-ibang flavors ng Royal. There's Sprite and Sprite Zero, Coke, yung Diet Coke, and then the Coke Zero din. Ayan, so ang iba dito is before yung cup nung yung Collect and Win, yung original color ng cup, ito lahat ng cups or yung takip is puro yellow. So make sure kung gusto niyo collect nito, choose niyo yung yellow na takip and make sure na nakalagay na ganyan. Halimbawa itong Royal nakalagay under the cup panalo, see label for details. Alright, and then all you need to do is to collect 4 caps that has different letters kasi may letters siya sa ilalim. Ayan, like this one, this is C, this one is K, this one is O. Okay, C-O-K, C-O-K-E ang kailangan nyong i-collect. So wala na ako ng E. So ito pala ang mariredeem nyo. Ito yung mga Coke tumblers in 3 colors. There's white, there's black, and there's red. Okay, and once na makollect mo yung word na Coke, pupunta ka lang sa nearest 7-Eleven, and this is available while supplies last. Kasi parang sa promo nakalagay up to 600,000 units lang nitong tumblers ang available. So maraming nag-hoard, maraming nagre-redeem, yung iba sumisilip sa ilalim just to complete the word C-O-K-E. Okay, so ayan. So kada collected na COKE, makakuha ka ng isang tumbler doon sa 7-Eleven. Alright? But beware kasi may mga stores na nire-require nila na iba-iba yung types ng drinks na nabili mo. Kailangan combination daw, Royal, Coke, and Sprite. So ask them first in case na doon ka magre-redeem. Pero as per a lot of other 7-Eleven stores, you can redeem the item. Yeah, you can redeem the item even if pare-parehas yung brand na binili mo. Okay, so ganun siya. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, simulan natin dito sa white. So na-unsealed na siya. Excited. And this one, ito yung pakita ko sa inyo yung box. Ito yung ibabaw. Palagay yung join Coke Time pa rin. And then this one. Then sa gilid, collect all colors. So yeah, yung white, yung red, and yung black. Ayan, complete your COKE caps now. Dito naman, scan the QR code to join the raffle draws. Kasi meron siyang raffle draws, and ito yung mga prizes na pwede mo panalunan when you join the raffle draw. So when you scan this, you'll be routed sa page ng Coca-Cola. Then you'll have to sign up for you to join the promo. And this one, so chance to win big prizes weekly. So there's up to 20 Samsung Smart TV, then 500 Samsung mobile phones, 10 Suzuki Jimny. Alright, yun yung mga prizes. Alright, so yun lang ang yun ang box. Napakita natin yung box. So, pare-parehas lang naman to ng mga nakalagay. Itong black at red. Isa lang yung nakalagay dyan. Pero ito na, buksan na natin tong unang item. Okay, so this one is medyo may ano siya. I don't know what that is. Medyo madami siya. Ano nangyari? Okay. Hindi ko napansin yun pero nabuksan ko na to eh. Ayan, nalagay ko lang siya dito. Ay, dito pala. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Yung straw, ito yung takip. And this is the tumbler. Then sa loob ng tumbler, ayan, wala na laman. Sa loob ng tumbler, kuha mo itong sticker pad. Yung stickers na available. Ayan, patong mo lang dyan yung mga black items siya. Okay, yan. So, yun yung Coca-Cola. Look at the type of magaan lang siya. It's plastic and it's may dirt. Ano kaya yun? Okay, siguro mga factory, ewan. Basta na lang napak. Mga shavings ng plastic, parang oh no. The heck? Okay. Anyway, siyempre, hugasan na lang natin to yun yung pag gagamitin. Alright. Okay, so ganyan siya. Manipis lang siya, magaan lang siya. Hindi siya yung tumbler na mga aqua flask. So it's just, yeah, ganyan siya. Oh. Super gaan lang yan. Ganyan. Oh. Okay. So, yun yung white. And this is the stickers. Ito ba si V? Si V ba to? Okay. Pero yan. Ito yung kasamang sticker niya. Okay, so that's the white one. Then, let's open the next one. Okay, tabi muna natin tong box na ito. Okay. Yan ka na. So, open the next one. This is the black one. Okay, same pa rin yung nakalagay sa mga box. Okay, so open na natin siya. Na-open na nga din siya. And ito yung straw. So, black straw. Of course, black din yung kanyang yung takip. And this is the black one. The black body. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung sumara. Oh, no. Factory defect. Okay, siyempre, sara mo lang ng ayos. Okay, nasara naman natin ng maayos. Ayan, that's it. That's the black one. Alright. Ano, medyo ganda ng black. Ganda talaga ng black. Okay. Ang ganda rin naman yung white. Alright. Ito rin, sticker niya. Same lang. Not after the sticker, so I don't mind. Pare-pareho sila. Alright, and the next one, we have lastly, the red cup. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here's the straw. It's also red. And then the yung takip. And this is the body. Yan yung mismong tumbler. And same pa rin na sticker. Okay, ba't kaya pare-parehas yung sticker? Laga man pare-parehas yung sticker. So, sa mga nakapag-unbox na nito, let me know. Pare-parehas talaga yung sticker. Alright. Okay, there you go. Ayan. Yan siya. Ito yung red. Okay. So, pakasimple lang ng itsura niya. Ayan na siya. That's the all three colors ng mga tumblers na available for this promo. Okay, so there you go. Na-unbox na natin lahat. Okay, so again, kung gusto mong mag-join dito sa promo na to, o gusto mo lang mag-collecta ng tumbler, so all you need to do is just buy Coke products na may yellow na takip. And yan, makalala ka ng diskarte kung paano mo siya bubuuin. Maraming sinishare ang mga people sa online, sa social media. Yun lang, and thank you so much again for watching our unboxing video. Hi, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye!